यार ये मेटल जंपमैन लोगो नज़र आ रहा है। ये सारे पैसे इसके हैं, बस अब बात ही नहीं करनी है इसके बाद। अब कुछ हो गया रिव्यू, जाओ हो गया। Ho, what is up beautiful people? Assalamu alaikum and I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for stopping by, and if you love sneakers then you are at the right place. This is your boy Zaneer Ali Sani from Sneakers and Zaneer with another video on this channel. If you are new here then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to know the latest updates of my videos. And you can find me on Instagram to know the latest updates of my giveaways and my recent videos. I am excited about this sneaker because it is one of those colorways जिसे देखकर मुझे Jordan 4 सिलेबेट से बहुत प्यार आया था, and it is one of those sneakers जिसके बारे में मुझे personal DMs आ रहे थे that I have seen you wearing this particular sneaker. Why aren't you making a video on these sneakers? तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना हम जो हैं इस पर्टिकुलर कलरवे पर एक वीडियो बनाएं. And here I am with another video on Jordan's 4. This particular silhouette is known as Jordan's 4 Cool Greys. And being very honest, these are amazing, and the reason why they are amazing is because that just look at this colorway. This colorway goes with everything. Cause you got me holding, even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding. Let's talk about the upper part of the silhouette first. As you can see that the upper part of this silhouette has no suede, but this is a typical leather which is used on this silhouette. And also one of the amazing thing is that I really love how they have used grey laces with the contrast of this whole silhouette. Down to mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. And there is this addition of one more color which is very dear to me. You know that I am a sucker of yellow color, and the Nike Air Bubble which they have used here, this particular has the color of yellow, and I really love how they have matched this yellow color with the whole silhouette, and I really love it. And also you can see that there is this flappers here which has eyelids of black color, and these eyelids are rubber material, and I really love these eyelids and how they are contrast with grey laces. I really love it. Also, the tongue of this sneaker, you can see it that there is this patchwork here, and there is this Jordan Jumpman logo with flight written in yellow color, and I really love these little details which they have used in this silhouette. also the side panel here, these are the net material which they have used here, and I really love these net materials because it is one of those materials which make this sneaker breathable, and I really love it. And also you can see the midsole here. The midsole has a color combination of white, of black, and it has this Nike Air Bubble which has yellow color. And the main highlight of this sneaker is the Jordan Jumpman logo. As you can see that this Jordan Jumpman logo here, it is of metal, and I really love how they have used metal here instead of plastic Jordan Jumpman which they have used in OG colorways. And yeah, it is one of those details which make this sneaker a very attractive sneakers, because whenever I have wear these, I usually get compliments. And as you can see in my Instagram post that I am already wearing this sneaker, and I literally rocked that outfit that day.
Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock.
And also I've already told you that how they have used the color combination on the silhouette is the main attraction of this sneaker. So as you can see the outsole here, as you can see that I have pretty much worn this silhouette, but the outsole here is amazing. You can see that they have used this color combination in outsole as well. There is this white color which is used on the upper side of the outsoles, and also there is this yellow color here, and there is this yellow Jumpman logo here on the outsoles, and there is this black color which is wrapped around this outsole of this sneaker. And I really love these color combination on the silhouette is my personal favorite.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
And you know that Jordans 4 are one of comfortable Jordan silhouettes. So the cushioning provided here, cushioning is amazing. I really love it. And the thing is that, yeah, these are my favorite Jordans 4. Yeah. I do agree. Breads, cool grays. Yeah. So let's just do the on-feet reviews of these sneakers, and let me show you that how are these sneakers on feet.
And the tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding.
feed reviews on Jordan's 4 Cool Greys. These are my favorites and I hope that you will like these as well, and I really want you to cop these because it is hell of an addition in your collection. So just go and buy it. So you can find me on Instagram at Zaneer to know the latest updates of my videos, and you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to know the latest updates of my videos. So this is Zaneer Ali Sani from Sneakers and Zaneer, over and out. Allah Hafiz.
And